Well, how about that? He remembered again. Maybe this juice he's getting here is starting to work. Sure is a different crowd here today. Some seem to be here only for a few minutes, while I heard someone else say that they were going to be here for 6 hours. Wow. This is a nice place and all, don't get me wrong, but that's a long time. I guess if I stopped and thought about it though, Dad takes his bottle home with him, and that stays hooked up for 46 hours. I always make him wait 48 just in case. I guess it's all different ways of dealing with this stuff. Like they say, each person is a new case. But we get to go home now, so I will talk to you more when we get there. Now these first few treatments went fairly well, all things considered. But I think as they put more of this stuff through him, well, I think it must accumulate somewhere in there. He has been able to use his pot cookies after treatments, and that has done the trick. And then by the time the bottle is done, he's feeling pretty good. This time, though, there was more of the nausea, and the cookies held it at bay. But at 4 in the morning, Dad was up and making a beeline for the bathroom. Well, he was only in there for a minute, and really only 1 minute. But when he came back, he said he felt much better. Went back to bed. I think he was probably just down a cookie, and then he would be alright again. Since then, he's talked about the fact that the nausea feeling is still there, but it is at a low enough level that he's able to deal with it okay. We have to talk to the doctor next week again, so maybe we'll get a different number as far as the treatments go. Right now, they're slated to go indefinitely, and that would be cool. I'd like to have Dad here indefinitely. But he's still here now, and I'll do what I can to keep him here. And when I have more to tell you, I'm sure to do just that. Bye now.